Hey folks, got a Chevy Equinox here. Customer complaint is the turn signals. The one on the right side is making a little bit of a funny noise. And it blinks a little faster on the right side. That's usually a sign of a bad bulb or bulb that is out. All right, so without starting the car and you want to check out the turn signals, the trick here is do not step on the brake pedal, okay? Because when you go and do this, remember, with the regular ignition key, you were able to turn it 2 clicks and you were able to turn on the dash. On a push button, you can't. So what you do is, without stepping on the brake pedal, just hold this button for a couple, maybe about a minute. Then the dash is going to light up for you. There you go. Now it's in accessory mode. All right, so let's put the turn signal on the left side. Can you hear it? That's normal. Watch when you go on the right side. See that? All right, let's go step outside. I already know it's in the back. So walk around the car and see which one it is. I'm going to put on the left side. Okay. So he's blinking, left side. Now I'm going to put on the right side now. I'll show you this one. There you go. It's out. All right. You can see it spinning over there, blinking over there. So when it changes bulb, see how we gain access to it. All right. So I'll put that on the next video, how to change that bulb. Otherwise, like I said, if it blinks funny, blinks fast, it's usually a sign of a bulb that is out. All right, watch it off the mirror over there. Blinks pretty quick. All right, thanks for watching, folks.